Okay, well, this is my work clothes. I'm making a video. I haven't made a video. Do you want to be in the video? All right. It was my wife. I'm so tired. I haven't posted a video in a while. And the reason for that is I'm going to give you guys a quick tour. I've just been working like a dog on this studio tour. So without any further ado, here's where we are with it. Progress report. Okay, the ceilings are done. The walls need a final coat. Base is done. We finally got this door in. And yeah, we got some LED lighting. We've created a space that has given a pretty cool mood. I love this shelf. I love how the lights come up real soft. I think that's pretty cool. Anyways, we got some command central switches over here. We're putting the stage trussing up. I need to get this. We didn't quite line up right because it's going to go this way and then come down. This is where we're going to have lighting and sound panels, controllers there. And more shelving. It's getting there. Let's see, a little bit dark. And this is the trusses. It's just going to be a straight 10-foot piece that goes right here for the podcast stuff that we're going to do over here. Desk area. In the main hangout area, started working on the high top bar. We got this all completed. Working on the tile. I just finished this floor yesterday in this bathroom, which is why my pants look like this, because this is my little work area right here, cutting towel and laying towel. But we're going to do a bunch of accent towel like here. This is going to be accent. Just the flat wall here. Once the microwave comes next week, I'll be able to do that. And then we're going to do this section here and that slate look here. Here. We're going to do it here. And I might do some slate right in here. Like we might just do this corner, top to bottom, in this corner, top to bottom. I may actually stagger them too. I'm not sure. My trim carpenter gave me the idea of possibly doing that. I got to get the plumber in here to do the toilet, sink, shower. Instant hot water is here. Sink. And I'm thinking about having him add a slop sink here somewhere. There's a drain. Looks like there's something here. Where does that go? I don't know. It's possible. We might be able to tie into that. I don't see any other drains other than this, but I'm thinking about maybe putting a slop sink here. I've been running up and down with all these buckets of water. Up and down, up and down, up and down, because I have no slop sink down here. And I probably should have had that in. By the time I get the plumber here and he finishes it, then I'll have water here. But obviously this little vanity sink isn't going to be big enough to put a bucket into and fill it. Nor will this little wet bar sink be big enough. But it will be perfect for this hangout area and for the studio. I won't have to climb steps. But yeah, I mean, that's it. Nothing's really changed in here. It's just going to be the workout room. The sauna, I have to order that. That's going to get built and kind of pushed into that little niche. And this is where like the treadmill and bike and stuff like that's going to go. So yeah, we're getting there. I haven't posted a video in so long. I've just been in work mode. So felt like I wanted to update. I'm going to try to get this edited and posted. It isn't going to have a lot of bells and whistles, but at least it'll give you guys an update on where things are, where we are. My goal has always been to be in between the 4th of July and Labor Day, and it's looking like we're going to be there. But, building this space is just the first aspect of it. Furnishing it. Like, I got the piano being refinished. I got some video on that. It was a high gloss finish on the piano, which looked really cheesy and tacky. And he did a sanding and a rub down on it. he's got like 110 man hours in on this piano, and I just saw it the other day. It looks fantastic. No, other than just sanding and buffing the finish, he made it look like a matte classic grand piano black finish. So I'm excited to get that piano back here and into this space. My B3 is getting a little bit of a facelift, and that's going to set in the corner. So I'll be excited to get that. I have all my keyboards I can get out of storage and get set up in here, so that I could, have a space where I can be creative. I got all this equipment, and it's all in closets and in storages and in mezzanines and in different shipping containers, and I just want to get it all here and set up so that I can get on with the rest of my life's work, which is creating. I love to create music, and I've grown to like, I use the like word, not the love word yet, but I've grown to like content creation. I'm learning, I'm getting over the learning curve because there's just so much to know. And I'm not trying to be an expert at it. I really am not. I just want to be fluent enough where I can make decent videos, post them, so that I can post what I'm doing, what I love to do, which is music composition. So anyways, that's it. That's where we are. There will be a grand tour once it's all finished, but really liking the stage truss lighting. We're gonna fly the lighting and the sound off the ceiling. Plus it'll give a spot for any cameras or camera lighting, like any kind of excess lighting that we may need. So yeah, the logo's gonna go there, and the podcast series name is gonna go there. Stay tuned for that. I'm not gonna be a spoiler and give that away yet. But yeah, lots going on. I'm tired. I gotta get back into ceramic towel mode. So I will see you guys on the next one.